Hello guys, today I am with Xiaomi Redmi 8 and the Moto G8 Plus, and I wanna show you how to transfer data between two Android devices. So let's start from the open the app. We will use Clone It, and I highly recommend it for you because it's a very good program to do it. Now turn off Wi-Fi on both devices, and I will send data from the Xiaomi to Moto G8 Plus. Press on the yellow once and search again. Now we have to wait until the G8 Plus found the Xiaomi, and it is pressed on the Android share. Now we have scan QR code. Okay, it's much faster than input the password. Now accept the request by pressing OK, and now choose the data you want to send. You cancel. Okay, please press on the photo because I will take only 2 photos. So this guy in the red jacket and this photo of our website. So press on the start. Okay. And it's finished. So now we can go to the files, and these photos should be in our files. So this is the guy in the red jacket and the photo of our website. So that's it. That's how it works. If you guys enjoy, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscriptions. See you in the next video. Goodbye.